As we age, collagen production starts to slow down, leading to visible changes in our skin's elasticity, firmness, and hydration. But the good news, you could take proactive steps to restore collagen today. In today's video, we'll cover 3 key strategies to keep your skin looking youthful and resilient. So stay with me till the end. Also guys, give this video a like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on future videos. I talk extensively about evidence-based ways to improve your hair, skin, and health. So if that's something you're into, definitely consider subscribing. A good place to start is what you're putting into your body. Are you incorporating enough collagen boosting foods? How many of them can you name off the top of your head? You see, the very first step to restoring collagen is incorporating foods that encourage its production. Let's dive into some must-have foods. There's 3 that stand out the most, with the first one being bone broth. Bone broth contains a range of minerals including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, silicon, sulfur, and trace minerals that can help support your overall health. And it's the slow cooking process of bone broth which breaks down collagen into smaller peptides that are easier for the body to digest and absorb. That's key here. The body will then use these peptides to build and repair collagen stores, the main one being L-histidine and L-carnosine, which research shows us to improve collagen in the skin and has a role in wound healing. The second food item will be your vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is a collagen superstar. It's necessary for the skin's ability to produce collagen. Not only that, vitamin C acts as a cofactor for the proline and lysine hydroxylases that stabilize the collagen molecule's tertiary structure. I can't tell you how important that is on its own. This is a chart of the top 5 best vitamin C sources, with the most interesting one being camu camu, which comes from the Amazon rainforest. And the last food will be your antioxidant powerhouses. This is because they protect your existing collagen from free radical damage. Green tea, berries, and leafy greens are packed with these powerful compounds, but one that is often forgotten is cloves, which has one of the highest ORAC scores, which is the oxygen radical absorbance capacity. It basically measures antioxidant power. The higher the ORAC, the better, and cloves surprisingly can effectively accelerate skin wound healing and reduce inflammation and scarring too, which we could talk about in another video. Let's now move on to the second way, which is not just about stimulating the collagen from the inside out, but what are some ways to effectively stimulate collagen from the outside in? So if you're fast approaching your 40s, let's say, and starting to see new fine lines and dark spots, you're not alone. As we age, fine lines and wrinkles and dark spots and age spots tend to show up more because of the overall loss of skin function. If you're in this boat, well, this bundle has all the foundational treatments you need to combat these signs of aging. It's the Fade and Firm Bundle Pro by QURE. I'm very excited to be partnering with them and for sponsoring this portion of today's video, because even Dr. Shah from Doctorly recommends this to so many of his patients, and the science behind it makes perfect sense. And what does this exact bundle come with? Well, you're getting the QURE Rejuvenate Pro LED mask, which combines red, deep red, infrared, and amber wavelengths for anti-aging. Because remember, collagen and elastin levels decrease with age. These wavelengths of light trigger the cells to produce even more collagen and elastin by activating fibroblasts, a process called photobiomodulation. And we can see this time and time again throughout the scientific literature, just how beneficial red light therapy can be for the skin. These 3 studies provide the most robust evidence behind its benefits. What's also great about the mask is that you can connect it to the QURE skincare app to customize your treatments by selecting either anti-aging or anti-breakout on 5 facial areas. Secondly, in the bundle, you get the 3-month supply of my favorite microinfusion system, which I've been using for a couple of months now, and I'm very impressed with it since it has cleared the dark spots on my forehead. It uses these fine 0.5mm needles to create micro channels in the top layer of your skin through a stamping technique, right? Which is super easy to use. This ultimately tricks your skin into activating your body's natural healing process, which is essentially activating more collagen production pathways. And then the invisible microchannels that you just created from the stamping will allow QURE's clinically formulated serums to infuse directly into your skin, which by the way accelerates absorption, which is just awesome. Take a look at these before and afters, which are remarkable in my opinion. What's nice is that the rejuvenating serum now contains 5% tranexamic acid from their previous 3% version, which will target the dark spots and melasma even better. And if you opt for the hydrosoothing serum, The new formulation now contains copper peptides, which are proven to be very beneficial in aging skin, giving this beautiful blue hue. And while you may feel a little bit of discomfort or a prick here and there when you first start out, it's virtually painless, guys. I would give the pain a 2 out of 10 when you first start out, and by the time you get used to it, the pain is just about a 1 out of 10 in my opinion. And lastly in the bundle, you get the neck and décolletage LED device, which uses 2 clinically proven wavelengths of light, red at 633 nanometers and near infrared at 830 nanometers, to work on the cellular level to stimulate new collagen, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, sun damage, and signs of aging that we often get in the neck and chest region that can be aesthetically bothersome for some folks, especially if you're someone who might have a tech neck, which are these horizontal wrinkles that appear on the neck that come from looking down at screens for long periods of time. What's great is that the red light reaches deep into the skin layer where collagen and elastin fibers reside in these lines. And once the light enters the skin tissue in the neck and chest, it boosts circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to the keratinocytes in that area, ultimately boosting collagen production, smoothing out the skin, and addressing those fine lines and wrinkles. And for the best results with it, go ahead and use the device 5 to 7 times a week. The hardest part with it is actually just going to be consistency, but each session lasts about 10 minutes. And yes, visible results may vary, but improvements can be seen within 4 weeks of consistent use. And when the results come in, guys, the before and afters again are very impressive. In just 16 weeks alone for this individual, you can see incredible improvements, which I'm happy to see. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. You'll save up to 55% right now on the Fade and Firm Bundle Pro, and you can start restoring your collagen today. Again, I highly recommend this bundle. You get the LED, you get the microinfusion system, and your skin will thank you. And the last thing we could do is ensure our lifestyle isn't getting in the way of restoring our collagen, and there's 5 things to check off. The first is protecting our skin from sun damage, right? This is because UV rays accelerate collagen breakdown. This leads to premature wrinkles and sagging skin. A broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher shields your skin from both UVA and UVB rays, even on cloudy days. Sunscreen is essential as UV light can even penetrate through the clouds. Secondly is maintaining hydration. Collagen-rich skin needs moisture, and hydration is key to maintaining its elasticity and plumpness. Water helps to keep skin cells functioning optimally and prevents dehydration, which can make fine lines more visible, right? So to combat this, aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and try to include water-rich foods like cucumbers, berries, and oranges into your meals. Thirdly, use gentle skincare from now on. As you all know, overly harsh products can strip your skin's natural oils. This damages its barrier and accelerates collagen loss. So make sure to choose gentle, nourishing products that support your skin's natural defenses, and opt for moisturizers with ingredients like ceramides and peptides as you age, so you can better age gracefully. The 4th lifestyle factor to keep in mind is your sleep environment. Sleep is when your skin repairs itself. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to keep your bedroom cool, dark, and tech-free for the best results possible. You could even consider using silk pillowcases to reduce friction on the skin, which can help prevent wrinkles over time. And lastly, limit your exposure to cigarettes and alcohol, which are very well known to destroy collagen. But I'm more curious to hear from you guys now. What are your thoughts on restoring collagen as a whole? Where are you currently at in your skincare journey? Would love to read your thoughts below. In the meantime, click the subscribe button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.